Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Canva for print design sizes step by step clearly. To register with Canva for print design sizes, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the Canva website. Look for the Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to choose a method of signing up. You can choose to register using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. If you select email, enter your email address and click Get Started. Create a strong password and confirm it as directed. If you chose Google or Facebook, follow the prompts to log into your account. After completing your sign up, check your email for a confirmation message from Canva. Click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Canva website and log into your newly created account. Now that you are logged in, navigate to the home page. Look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type in print size or the specific type of print design you need. Canva will display pre-made templates in various print sizes. Select a template that fits your design needs. You can also create a custom size by clicking on the Custom Size option. Enter your desired width and height in the provided fields. Choose the measurement units, either pixels, inches, or millimeters. Once you've set the dimensions, click Create New Design. You will be taken to the design interface where you can start editing. Use the left-hand toolbar to access elements, text, and images for your design. When your design is complete, click on the Download button in the top right corner. Select your preferred file type suitable for print, such as PDF print. Click Download to save your finished design. You are now ready to use Canva for print design sizes effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.